STD rates in Hampton Roads. That's new at 5. Recently released numbers show the region is improving when it comes to those infected.
But the news isn't all good when it comes to sexually transmitted diseases. 10 on your side's Anita Blanton is live in the newsroom now with what the health department is doing to combat the stats. Anita?
Nicole, Norfolk's gone from number 3 on the list of most sexually diseased cities in the nation to number 5. It's a small gain, but officials at the health department say it represents hard work, although they are still trying to figure out how Norfolk was singled out in the report since they turn over figures as a region to the CDC. Look at the map of the most sexually diseased cities in the USA on rentapplication.com, and you'll find Norfolk grouped with other cities in Hampton Roads like Virginia Beach and Newport News. But they're singled out on this list.
We do acknowledge that we are having a few issues with STDs, but I do feel like that we are doing targeted prevention efforts in order to keep those STD rates down.
And Rosalind Fazone, the STD program supervisor for the Norfolk Department of Public Health, told me those efforts are working.
Well, in 2013, we did see an increase of syphilis, and as a health department, we got together with other community organizations and worked with them so that we could talk as a whole to see what our focus point was.
The data for 2014 shows
Norfolk has seen a decrease in chlamydia. They've also seen a decrease inside of total early syphilis.
They're pushing to provide better access to care by changing and extending clinic hours. Monday through Thursday, there's an all-day clinic, and every second and fourth Tuesday of the month.
We now have an after-work clinic that's in the evening. This is the first time it's ever been done in the city of Norfolk.
There's also free STD testing and treatment available. Plus, they're finding new ways to spread useful information to cut down on the spread of harmful diseases.
A lot of time when someone comes back with an STD, they really don't know where do I go from there? How do I tell my partner? We do have what's called disclosure assistance services now.
It's all to make sure anybody in Norfolk or beyond who's thinking about being sexually active considers getting tested first. 3 cities on the top 10 list have large military populations that the researchers say push those cities to the top. That's Norfolk Naval Base, Fort Hood in Killeen, Texas, and Fort Bragg in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Rosalind says that they work constantly with the military to collaborate on testing and treatment options as well. Anita Blanton, 10 on your side.